Hello guys, welcome back to What's Trending Crypto. To find out about future update on trends, make sure to hit the subscription notifications bell. Okay. Let's talk about what's trending today.
The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been using some tactics to delay the process in the lawsuit against Ripple. Interestingly, the court has rejected SEC's this policy to slow down the procedure. In a one-word order, District Judge Torres denied the SEC's motion to file a certiorari in support of its motion to strike. This move has sent positive vibes to the XRP community. SEC's motion to file certiorari denied. The lawsuit against Ripple has seen SEC using delay tactics to slow down proceedings and bringing up some confusing arguments to support it. SEC's requested the court to consider the certiorari so that the agency can present highly relevant recent authority that directly refutes Ripple's arguments in its certiorari. It added the grant of permission to respond to Ripple's arguments made for the first time in its certiorari. According to the documents, Ripple lawyers in the first certiorari mentioned that this is the very first case in which the agency has ever brought an enforcement action against a company or its individual executives overselling an established digital asset. To which SEC in its certiorari brought up the motion to strike, citing SEC versus LBRY decision in which New Hampshire federal judge granted judgment on the pleadings on an unrelated selective enforcement defense. Is SEC trying to delay the verdict? This is for sure that Judge Annalisa Torres has also got sick with the SEC's contradicting arguments and notices. One day SEC asks the court to consider Hinman's speech as his personal view, on the other day the commission files the notice to reconsider the speeches as a public guidance. It is being believed that failure to attach a date and signature to the application was just another ploy to delay the lawsuit further. The case filed by the SEC against Ripple has already much delay. It has been dragged for months while XRP holders have seen some of the unfavorable price movement of the coin. The Securities and Exchange Commission has submitted a request for an extension until no later than 1 week after the individual defendants file their answers in order to inform the court of whether the plaintiff intends on conducting additional discovery. This request aims to extend the March 23, 2022 deadline for the parties to propose a discovery schedule for the individual defendants. The individual defendants oppose the extension and will file a written objection today. Although the SEC does not anticipate any additional liability-related discovery, the SEC is unable to commit to a position until after it has had an opportunity to review the individual defendants' answers, including any affirmative defenses that they may assert and facts they plead in support. According to the letter, the attorneys representing Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse told the SEC that they do not seek to conduct liability-related discovery now, but want to reserve their ability to conduct remedies-related discovery until after summary judgment motions are decided. Ripple wants to get it over with by May. The SEC says it's premature. The SEC's motion notes that Ripple proposed a summary judgment schedule with opening briefs and related fillings due in mid-May. Ripple executives and individual defendants, Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse, also plan to proceed with briefing despite the pending discovery-related motions. The SEC disagrees. The SEC believes that such a briefing schedule is premature, given that the individual defendants have yet to answer the complaint and plead affirmative defenses, and respectfully requests that the court direct the parties to meet and confer regarding a summary judgment schedule once the SEC has advised the court of its position on the need for additional discovery. The response from the SEC, that a summary judgment schedule in mid-May is premature, is unsurprising. The plaintiff has systematically delayed the lawsuit, in what is perceived as an attempt to frustrate Ripple's wishes of putting the lawsuit behind it. Delay tactics are, probably, the SEC's biggest leverage against Ripple in the SEC v. Ripple case. The defendants have successfully presented their case in a way that shows intention to abide by the rules. The SEC, however, has been plagued by infighting and embarrassment for the many contradictions and inconsistencies throughout the litigation, with Hinman's personal opinions versus public guidance being a highlight. The most recent controversy was the SEC's latest filing, as it tries to introduce a supplemental expert report despite being against the rules. The report, a statistical study of how Ripple news affected the price of XRP, has been criticized for failing at basic math.
Thank you for your time and make sure hit the subscribe button for future update on what's trending.